Here is an interesting review of the top LLC business credit cards with no income requirements. Welcome back to the channel. Number 8, we have Truist Business Cash Rewards. Our score 7.9 over 10. Here are the conditions that you must fulfill if you want Truist to grant you this business credit card with no income requirements. You got to be a bank client for at least 18 months. Application only at branch, so nothing over the phone or online. A business plan is required. Business tax returns are required for the last 2 years. And you have the owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years. So overall, this is a great business credit card. We are looking at what? A cashback credit card. So basically you have a 0% intro APR on purchases for 9 months after account opening. And after that, the APR will oscillate from 15.99% to 24.99%. And you have a constellation of cashback tiers on purchases. For example, you have 3% cashback on gas, 2% at restaurants and office supply stores, up to $2,000 in combined spend, and 2% and 3% categories per month. That's the thing we don't like with this card. I mean, it's a great card, don't get me wrong, but we don't like the fact that you need to keep track of categories, spending categories. It's kind of similar to rotating categories, but it is what it is. You also have 1% cashback on all other eligible purchases. And the thing is, cash rewards earned will expire at the end of the month. That is 5 years from the date of issuance. So you have 5 years. So once you accumulate those rewards, you have 5 years before they expire. That's plenty of time. We also love their preferential loyalty tier pattern. So you have 10%, 25%, or 50% loyalty cash bonus based on your Truist business deposit relationship when cash rewards are redeemed into a Truist business deposit account. So this is just Truist trying to help you. Actually, they want your business. They want you to park your cash with them. Okay. You can add authorized cardholders at no additional charge. You have digital account management through Truist online banking. Fantastic. They have accounting software integration to simplify your record keeping. Overall, after BB&T and SunTrust actually merged last year to form Truist, they've been kicking ass like crazy. Their digital account management platform is just fantastic. Really wonderful. Number 7, we have Citizens Everyday Points Business. Our score 8.2 over 10. So here are the conditions that Citizens Bank wants you to satisfy before you can get this LLC business credit card with no income requirement. You have to be a bank client for the last 12 months. Application only at branch, so they do not allow online or phone application. Business plan required. Personal guarantee required on this business card. Business tax returns required for the last 2 years. And the owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years. So once you satisfy those conditions, you can get this card with no income requirement. Now the card itself is kind of great. I mean, we are looking at a rewards business credit card. So you can earn $325 in rewards when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days. Thereafter, you earn unlimited 1.5% in rewards on your everyday business expenses. So this is really good. So you're looking at a 0% intro APR on purchases for 6 months from account opening. And after that, you have a variable APR that actually oscillates from 14.24% to 24.24%. The card has no annual fee. You have zero liability for unauthorized account services. Fantastic. You can keep track and redeem your rewards on the Citizens Everyday Points website. The cool thing is that if your business spends money on some of the targeted categories, the rewards categories, then you can really enjoy these cards. You can actually, so we're speaking about what are the rewards categories? Well, we have gift cards to retailers or restaurants, travel. You can actually redeem the rewards as cashback, as merchandise, as tips and credit for past card purchases. So overall, this card is really fantastic, and you really will enjoy this card if you have been a Citizens client for at least 12 months. One thing we also love about this card is that Citizens customer service is just fantastic. They have actually they had problems a few years ago, and for the last 3 to 4 years they had no management in the customer service. And going forward, they have been doing great. They were really responsive, at least on the business side of things. They have been very great. They have been very responsive. They'll take care of you. They'll answer your questions. So if you have any problem, so we would really, really recommend that. So Citizens Everyday Points Business, our score 8.2 over 10. Number 6, we have here Key Bank Business Cash Rewards. Our score 8.4 over 10. I just want to quickly remind you, boss, today's topic, we are speaking about LLC business credit cards with no income requirements. So I'm sharing with you the top banks that actually will bless you with high limits very quickly and generously. So number 6, we have here Key Bank Business Cash Rewards. Our score 8.4 over 10. Here are Key Bank conditions to get this business credit card with no income requirements. You got to be a bank client for at least 18 months. Application only at branch. Business plan is required. Business tax returns required for the last 2 years. And the owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years. And this is another cashback credit card, really. So you have, with this card, you can earn up to 2% cashback on purchases. And we love the fact that KeyBank is very flexible here. This is unlimited. This offers unlimited cashback, no expiration, no categories. So that's the cool thing. You don't have to track categories. See, you are already busy running a business, trying to turn a profit, trying to actually draw new business to your company. You don't have time to track categories. So KeyBank has done things easier for you. All you need just to just spend the money. That's all. And you have 0% APR for 6 months on purchases and balance transfers. Okay, but you got to make the balance transfers within the first 60 days of account opening to qualify for the intro APR. And after that, after the intro APR is over, you have interest rate, an APR that ranges from 17.74% to 27.74%. Okay, and as a welcome offer, you have $200 bonus cash back on $1,000 spent in the first 60 days. So you're looking at 20% given back to you. Fantastic, boss. You want to grab that. You need to grab that. Okay. So overall, when we think about this card, it's just a fantastic card. Okay. And it's a cashback card. You can even, the cool thing is, if you deepen your relationship with KeyBank, you can actually earn you can earn a discount on your APR. This is really good. And you also get employee cards at no additional cost, $0 liability fraud protection, automatic payments, secure online business banking, and so on and so forth. Fantastic. Number 5, we have here US Bank Business Platinum Card. Our score 8.7 over 10. This is a great card. The thing is, when we talk about US Bank Business Platinum Card, we're speaking about a great card. But first, let me talk to you about the conditions that US Bank wants you to fulfill before you can qualify for this card without income requirements. So you got to be a bank client for the last 24 months, application only at branch, business plan required, a personal guarantee is required, business tax returns for the last 3 years, owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years. The cool thing about this card, and that's what we love about this card, is that it is a card that allows you to have a 0% intro APR on purchases, and guess what? Balance transfers also for 18 billing cycles, boss. This is really great. This is great. This is great to actually charge something important, an important expense on the card. Fantastic. After that, the APR is kind of cool too. We are looking at a delta of 15.74% all the way to 24.74%. Okay, this is really good. And with the card allows you to actually enjoy a low annual fee card for you and your employee. Okay, and when we talk about US Bank in general, their customer service is just fantastic. There are a couple of banks that have done a lot of work in the last 5 years to improve their customer service. And US Bank, and you can actually go online and actually rate the reviews. I mean, we know because we have done research and we have clients. We have business clients who use US Bank for various services. And the bank is constantly improving. And we have criticized US Bank in the past. And so now that they're doing better, we need to actually give them credit for the turnaround, the fantastic turnaround they have done. And that fantastic turnaround is now shining upon their business credit card offers. Fantastic. So talking about the US Bank Business Platinum Card, this is a card that also allows you to actually have what they call Visa Spend Clarity. So you can track spending and manage your expenses more efficiently with their powerful tool. You have a 24/7 dedicated service, okay? They'll listen to you. And the cool thing is that their customer service is in the United States, okay? So you're speaking to actual people who understand your problem, not really someone who's whatever. You know what I mean. So fantastic. US Bank Business Platinum Card, 8.7 over 10. Number 4, we have here PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. Our score, 8.8 over 10. Here's another gem. Fantastic card. So here are the conditions that PNC wants you to have wants you to follow, wants you to fulfill before qualifying for this business credit card for your LLC with no income requirement. You got to be a bank client for at least 12 months. Application only at branch. Business plan required, business tax returns for the last 2 years, and the owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years. Now, one thing I want to say, anytime I talk about business tax returns and individual tax returns, I want to say that if you are a single member LLC, in other words, you don't have a business tax return, you're basically lumping your business data onto your Schedule C. All the banks that I've listed, they're fine with that. They're fine with looking at your Schedule C and seeing the profit and loss that you have actually realized throughout the year to sort of ascertain your profitability. Not a problem. Okay, so if you're a single member LLC, you don't have to produce a 1065 or 1120S or 1120, depending on the tax election that you have with the IRS. Okay, now let's talk about this card. So the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business, great card. The card that allows you to earn a $400 bonus when you open and use use the card. And to qualify for this offer, though, you need to make at least $3,000 in qualifying net purchases. This is really good. And you actually can enjoy a 0% intro APR for the first 9 billing cycles. And after that, you have an APR that goes from 14.74% to 23.74%. This is really great. And it's the card allows you to earn 1.5% cash back on net purchases. No limits on the amount you can earn. This is really wonderful. And you have an online account management, so you can choose from a constellation of online tools to manage your business credit card activity. And you have also, so what are those benefits? So I already spoke about the 1.5% cash back on net purchases. You can use Account View to manage employee purchases and to monitor cash flow, which is really important in terms of analyzing your company's transactions. Okay, you can check your current balance and view pending transactions online. You can set individual spending limits for employee cards. You can add, activate, or close cards and whatnot. And you can manage business risk fantastically. So you also have a catalog of travel benefits you can qualify for. Not a problem. Number 3, we have here Wells Fargo Business Platinum. Our score, 9.1 over 10. Folks, we're still having a conversation about LLC business credit cards, no income requirement. So here are the conditions that Wells Fargo wants you to actually qualify for before you can get this card with no income requirements. You got to be a bank client for the last 21 months. Application only at branch. Business plan required. PG required, so personal guarantee required. business tax returns required for the last year, so the only last year business tax return, and owner's individual tax returns for the last 4 years. Okay, and this is actually this. So this card is actually also a cashback card. That's how we analyze the card itself. So you can the card allows you to earn a one-time $300 cashback bonus or 30,000 bonus points when you select a business card rewards program, and you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months after your account opening date. Okay, so basically the card allows you to. So this card is a dual card. It's a hybrid card. You have two options. You have the cashback option, or you have the rewards point option. It depends on what you want. Depends on the kind of a direction you want to give to your company. So for the cashback option, you can earn 1.5% cashback on qualifying purchases. If you choose the rewards points option, you can earn 1 point on every dollar spent and receive 1,000 bonus points every billing cycle when you spend at least $1,000 on qualifying purchases. The card is great because the card has a 0% intro rate for the first 9 months. So this is really great. So this card is great if you are banking with the Wells Fargo, okay, and you would like to have some kind of flexibility in terms of choosing a cashback option or choosing a rewards point option. Okay, the card has no annual fee. You can add up to 99 employee cards with no additional fee. You have a constellation of cash management tools. Spending reports are available online for you, boss. No foreign transaction fees, online banking and bill payment options. So you have, I would say, the whole gamut of important features that you would expect from a business card issued by a behemoth such as Wells Fargo. So this is really great. Okay, and one thing we want to say also is that Wells Fargo actually has done a great job in terms of reporting. In terms of customer service, they can still improve it. Wells Fargo, if you're listening to me right now, on the business side, at least on the business side, you guys still need to improve something. But it is possible. You're doing great already, but you can still do better. Number 2, we have here Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card by City. Our score 9.6 over 10. Here are the conditions that you have to fulfill to qualify for this card. You have to be a Citi bank client for at least 18 months. Application only at branch or at your nearest Costco store. Business plan required. Business tax returns required for the last 2 years. And the owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years. Okay, but again, for this is the card that you this is great, but you also you need to be a Costco member. Okay, Costco business member to qualify for this card. But this is based on our analysis. This is one of the quote unquote easiest cards to get if you are trying to build. Let's say you're trying to build business credit, or you are a Costco lover. You're a Costco aficionado. Okay, this card is just fantastic. So basically, you can earn cashback rewards anywhere Visa is accepted. Not just you don't have to actually charge. You don't have to spend or use the card only at Costco stores, okay? And one thing I want to say here is that, but if you are a Costco member though, if you're a Costco member and if you buy at the Costco stores, the rewards are higher, okay? Let's talk about the cashback rewards. So you have 4% on eligible gas and EV charging worldwide, including gas and EV charging at Costco for the first $7,000 per year, and then 1% thereafter. You have 3% on restaurants and eligible travel purchased worldwide. You have 2% on all other purchases from Costco and Costco.com. You have 1% on all other purchases. So you can see that the benefits are tilted towards Costco benefits, which makes sense. Listen, this is a Costco card. They have to make money, okay? But the thing here is that the good thing we love is that you got to ask yourself right now, Costco is a biggie. So chances are for your small business, you will have stuff to buy from them. So if you are in that sort of mindset right now, this card could be great for you. And the cool thing is they're very lenient. They're very flexible when it comes to income. They're not going to ask you for your income directly. Like they're not asking you to provide your income statements. No, they're fine if you can show them your business tax returns or your personal tax returns. They are definitely fine with that. Not a problem. Number one, the best of the best in our view when it comes to the business credit cards, LLC, business credit cards with no income requirement. Number one, we have Bank of America Business Advantage, customized cash rewards. Our score, 9.8 over 10. Here are the conditions the Bank of America wants you to actually fulfill before you can qualify for this business credit card. So you gotta be a bank client for the last 15 months. Application is possible at branch or online. Personal guarantee is required. Business plan is required. Business tax returns for the last 2 years are required. The owner's individual tax returns for the last 4 years are required. This is what it is. But once you actually pass muster, you can qualify for a lot of benefits. For example, you have a $300 statement credit bonus offer, okay, and you can earn a 3% cash back in the category of your choice. Gas stations, which is the default category. You have office supplies, stores, travel, TV, telecom, and wireless, computer services or business consulting services. That's for the 3%. You have 2% cash back on dining purchases. So basically what they want you to, so you can actually qualify for 2% cash back for the first $50,000 in combined choice category dining purchases each calendar year, and 1% thereafter. And then you have 1% cashback on all other purchases. So you can see that there is a tier of expense categories they want you to actually follow if you want to qualify for those benefits. And so you can actually earn up to 75% more cashback on every purchase if you have a business checking account with Bank of America and qualify for. You can qualify for their highest preferred rewards for business tier. That means you can earn up to 5.25% on your selected choice category and up to 3.5% on dining purchases in the first $50,000 in those combined purchases each calendar year, and up to an unlimited 1.75% cash back on all other purchases. So this is really cool. Okay, the APR on this card, 15.99% to 25.99%. You have a 0% intro APR on purchases only, not balance transfers. On purchases for the first 9 billing cycles. Okay, this is what it is. This card, you can have it as a contactless card, not a problem. Okay, so overall, this is just a fantastic card that we will really recommend to any LLC that wants to get a business credit card with no income requirement. Fantastic. Now, before I close to this conversation, let me give you a few pro tips here. The thing is, how do you actually get an LLC business credit card and with no income requirements? It's very important that you first need to assess your eligibility. See, the thing is, you might be saying, listen, I think I just want to have a business credit card. Yeah, that's fine. But you want to actually evaluate your chances of getting the card in the first place. Okay, so you want to study what kind of eligibility requirements they're asking you. So you have to go to your local bank or your national bank or your local or national credit union and inquire there. And please take notes. Don't you just print stuff out and just read. No, there is something extraordinary that happens when you write something down yourself. So take notes and write down exactly what they're asking you to provide. And then, so once you actually have evaluated your eligibility, you got to consider your business credit card options. In other words, what kind of credit card, what kind of business credit card are you looking for your LLC? Okay, and the thing is, please be ready to explain to the issuer why you cannot prove your income. In other words, if you're looking for a business credit card with no income requirements, it's because there is some quote-unquote problem in terms of your income. So be sure that you can articulate to the issuer what the problem really is. So you want to consider your business credit card options. Okay, are you looking for a 0% APR card? Are you looking for a cashback business card? Are you looking for a travel business card? So those are things you need to think about. What kind of rewards are you looking for? Are you looking for monetary rewards or something else? And so once you have actually passed muster, then you can apply for the card. Okay, you can apply for the business credit card. Please make sure you are thorough. Okay, and that's why we always tell folks to go to the branch. Anyway, those 8 banks here, they want to see you at the branch. Anyway, so you want to go to the branch and you want to actually apply under the tutelage of a customer service rep, because they know better the things you need to put. They know better what kind of mistakes you should avoid, so they'll be better equipped to advise you. Before I close today's conversation, I want to acquaint you with the approach we follow when analyzing, when evaluating, when listing business credit cards and personal credit cards on this show. So please check this out. Thank you so much. Let me quickly recap today's conversation. So I was talking to you about LLC business credit cards with no income requirements. Number 1, we have Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards, 9.8 over 10. Number 2, we have Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card by Citi, 9.6 over 10. Number 3, we have Wells Fargo Business Platinum, 9.1 over 10. Number 4, we have PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business, 8.8 over 10. Number 5, we have US Bank Business Platinum Card, 8.7 over 10. Number 6, we have KeyBank Business Cash Rewards, our score, 8.4 over 10. Number 7, we have Citizens Everyday Points Business, our score, 8.2 over 10. Number 8, last but not the least, we have Truist Business Cash Rewards, our score, 7.9 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.